history repeats itself. In the year 606 before Christ, Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, came in Jerusalem and destroyed the holy city, including the house of God, for he did not believe Christ as the true God of the Jews. If we will subtract the year 606 before Christ from the appointed time of God, which is the 2520, the outcome year is 1914. In the year 1914, the spiritual King Nebuchadnezzar was in the person of Brother Felix Isagon Manalo, who founded Iglesia ni Cristo in 1914. He believed and thought that Christ is not God. So much so in the year 538 before Christ. In this year, King Cyrus the Great, the Anointed One, or the Christ of God, wrote a decree to restore the house of God, which is in Jerusalem. He liberated the Jews from the captivity in Babylon and mandated them to return in Jerusalem. History repeats itself. If we will subtract 538 before Christ from the appointed time of God, which is the 2520, the outcome year is 1982. In this year, the spiritual King Cyrus the Great was in the person of Supreme King Philemon or Yambunanza, who founded the Kingdom of God in 1982. He wrote a book entitled Nang Mitanghiri, which means Touch Me Now. This book reveals the kingdom of God in the New Jerusalem and shows the exegesis of the parables in the Bible.